Hello, welcome to the Ask Miss D segment. And I'm Miss D. Please remember to follow me because if you do, I'll come follow you right back. I have a question that I want to read to you. It says, Miss D, my New Year's resolution is to stop doing crime. Well, I am really proud of your growth, sweetie. And I'm glad that you realize orange is just not your color. But what we're going to do, we're going to start small for you. So listen to me. Anything that involves a mask and a getaway car, mm-mm. No, we're not doing that next year, okay? No, no, no. We're not going to do that. If you have to whisper to anybody, don't tell. No, don't do that. How about next year? Let's make your biggest crime be running late. Okay? Because Miss D don't post bail for nobody.